I think I have found the perfect use for the hot RV sitting out in the sun in the summertime or anytime really. I hang my clothes to dry. Check it out. I mean, yeah, you're looking at my underwear and stuff, but hey, everybody has underwear, right? And so, yeah, I basically just hang this, I put this line up going around the RV on the inside, and I just hang my clothes out to dry in the RV, after being washed, and I'm not using the RV a whole lot. I actually found that the RV, inside the RV, stays a lot cooler, like right after I hang the clothes. So this might actually act as some sort of air conditioning. You can test it out. I'm gonna test it out, in the future. But I hung these yesterday. I let them hang for a day. If it rains, they're not gonna get wet. And yeah, they've been out all day, all night, and I'm gonna bring them in today. But they're all perfectly dry right now, perfectly dry. So some way to save on your energy bill by hanging your clothes to dry. So yeah, that's one way to use a hot RV. Make use of all the heat that's being stored up here. All right, until next time, keep on rethinking.